Well, welcome back, everyone. We're just getting into the meatier part of the week, and I am super happy to be here to share some insight with you on how this market is playing it forward here. We've got Powell as good cop, giving us a aggressive rate cut last week. Now, all of the Fed heads that have been speaking since then haven't really done a huge amount to the market, but there is some risk, of course, of them causing some consternation. If you look at Thursday, that's the day where we've got a lot of Fed speak lined up, inclusive of Powell. But let's get there. From today, when we look at the indices that matter, the Russell tends to be a canary in a coal mine. The Dow is a price-weighted index, so it's really about sticker. The ES and the NASDAQ, the SPY and the NASDAQ, these two indices have lots of cross-pollination. And when we look at the Mag 7 stocks that are the key ones in there, they dominate the Qs. If you note at the hard right edge, the tool on screen applied to price is the Champion Trend Pack suite of indications. It's something that comes natively and exclusively with your Ultimate Wealth Charts annual membership here. Can't find it anywhere else. Why? Well, 33-time real money on-site domestic and international trading champion Rob Hoffman developed these, won competitions with these over the last 3 decades. So if you look at the signal set on screen, the dark opaque green zone is Champion Cross. Champion Trend is literally labeled with a buy zone. When both of these indications are live on the same last close bar, we're in stage 1 of a sequence that's very powerful and triggerable from a trading standpoint along the 3 stages. Currently, we'd have to say we're still in stage 1, but we're getting what's called a breakout forecaster. Now, we did get what typically remarks stage 2. Well, it came in a bar before Champion Trend and Champion Cross. Typically, that not going to give us that stage 2 status. In this particular case, if you look at the rest of the markets, they did comply and give us that stage 2 status. So what I'm going to effectively say here is you've got the potential for a higher high in store for a key index that's dominated by these Mag 7 stocks. And de facto, that has then the potential to take the S&P even higher. The problematic situation with the Russell is a warning. And the sticker shock higher high with the Dow makes complete sense in terms of going to higher price stocks with safety. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you down to a 4-hour chart across all 4 indices. What this will do for us is open the door for the next most immediate move over the next several days, and likelier tomorrow. As you can see, the Russell is compressing in that buy signal state. However, the Dow, the ES, and the NASDAQ have their opaque green zones in the Champion Cross indicator actually getting bigger. What does this mean? We are resuming a sequence that's very powerful, which ended back here for the NASDAQ, ended over here for the S&P, and took some time for us to consolidate before we can continue. The stats are likely higher. The odds are likely higher. The tool supports it and has embedded risk management. It also has the ability to help with some of those key decisions as you, me, trading public, move into a volatile period of the elections. Now, we've got a ton of strategies that I'd like to share with you, and you're going to hear it from Rob. You're going to hear it from many folks here. You're going to also hear it from unique speakers that you've never heard from, and the content is curated based on your feedback. This is going to be the biggest financial event into the end of the year. You can't afford to miss this one. I can't wait to share my insights there with you and keep you abreast of the goings-ons in the market in videos just like these in the days to come. Thanks for watching. Have an incredible rest of your day.